Welcome to the enchanting realm of Bohemian style, where creativity knows no limits and every detail weaves a unique tale. In today's video, we'll delve into the art of transforming your bedroom into a bohemian sanctuary brimming with texture, color, and global charm. We'll unveil 5 distinct bohemian styles to effortlessly elevate any bedroom into a lavish retreat, blending comfort and boundless creativity. Starting off with Earthy Boho Luxe, a style that is all about embracing the natural world within your personal sanctuary. This style harmonizes organic materials and earthy tones to create a space that feels grounded, serene, and effortlessly luxurious. Picture a bedroom bathed in warm, natural light, where terracotta clay and wood tones dominate the palette. These colors not only reflect the beauty of nature, but also create a calming atmosphere perfect for relaxation. In an Earthy Boho Luxe bedroom, the textures play a crucial role. Hand-woven rugs, soft linens, and tactile accents like wicker or jute bring depth and warmth to the room. These elements, combined with globally inspired decor, add a touch of sophistication and a sense of well-traveled elegance. The overall vibe is both minimalist and rich, making the space feel cozy yet uncluttered. To enhance the serene mood, consider adding large plants or natural greenery that infuse life into the room. The greenery contrasts beautifully with the warm earth tones, creating a balanced and harmonious space. Lighting should be soft and diffused, perhaps through sheer curtains that allow natural light to filter gently into the room, enhancing its warm and inviting atmosphere. Furniture in this style should be simple yet substantial, with a focus on natural materials like wood or stone. Think of a rustic wooden bed frame paired with plush bedding in neutral tones, layered with throws and pillows in various textures. The key is to create a space that feels both luxurious and comfortable, where every detail invites you to unwind and relax. Accessories in an Earthy Boho Luxe bedroom should be carefully curated to enhance the natural and luxurious feel of the space. Opt for handcrafted items like pottery, woven baskets, or macrame wall hangings that add a personal touch. The result is a bedroom that feels like a retreat, a place where you can escape from the outside world and connect with nature. Global Fusion Retreat style brings the world into your bedroom, blending elements from different cultures into a harmonious and eclectic space. This style is perfect for those who love to travel or are inspired by the diversity of global design. The key to achieving this look is to mix and match patterns, colors, and textures from various cultural influences while maintaining a cohesive and balanced aesthetic vibe. Start with a bold, vibrant color palette that reflects the richness of global traditions. Deep reds, blues, and yellows can be combined with softer neutrals to create a dynamic and inviting atmosphere. Textiles are central to this style. Think of kilim rugs, ikat pillows, and hand-embroidered throws that add layers of interest and texture to the space. The furniture in a Global Fusion retreat should be as diverse as the decor. Combine pieces from different regions, such as a Moroccan pouf with an Indian carved wooden bed frame, to create a unique and eclectic look. The idea is to create a space that feels collected over time, filled with treasures from your travels or inspired by distant lands. Lighting is important in setting the mood in a Global Fusion retreat. Consider using lanterns, string lights, or pendant lamps with intricate designs that reflect cultural craftsmanship. The soft ambient lighting will enhance the vibrant colors and patterns in the room, creating a warm and inviting space. To complete the look, add decorative accents that tell a story. Items like hand-painted ceramics, woven baskets, or vintage maps can serve as focal points in the room, sparking conversation and adding a personal touch. Plants also play a significant role in this style, creating a natural element that complements the global decor. The result is a bedroom that feels like a world tour, a space where every corner offers something new and intriguing. It's a retreat that celebrates the beauty of diversity, making it the perfect haven for those who appreciate the richness of global cultures. Glam Bohemian combines the free-spirited essence of boho style with a touch of luxury and sophistication. This style is perfect for those who love the eclectic charm of bohemian design, but also crave a bit of glamour in their space. The result is a vibrant, bold, and undeniably chic bedroom. The color palette in a Glam Bohemian bedroom is rich and luxurious, with jewel tones like emerald, sapphire, and ruby creating a dramatic backdrop. Metallic accents complement these bold colors, think gold or brass, that add a touch of opulence to the space. The overall effect is richness and depth, where every element feels carefully chosen to create a cohesive and glamorous look. Furniture in this style should be statement-making, with pieces that draw the eye and add to the room's luxurious vibe. A velvet upholstered headboard, a gilded mirror, or an intricately carved wooden dresser can be focal points in the room. The key is to mix these opulent pieces with softer, more eclectic elements to maintain the bohemian spirit. Texture is also a critical component of the Glam Bohemian style. Luxurious fabrics like velvet, silk, and faux fur add a sense of indulgence, while more rustic textures like woven rugs or natural wood provide balance. Combining these textures creates a space that feels sophisticated and inviting, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Lighting in a Glam Bohemian bedroom should enhance the opulent atmosphere. Use chandeliers, pendant lights, or wall sconces with intricate designs and metallic finishes. The lighting should be warm and ambient, highlighting the rich colors and textures in the room and creating a cozy, luxurious vibe. Accessories should be bold and eclectic, with a mix of vintage and contemporary pieces that add personality and flair to the space. The goal is to create a glamorous and eclectic room where every detail reflects your unique style. Tropical Boho Escape is a style that brings the lush, vibrant beauty of the tropics into your bedroom, combined with the relaxed and eclectic vibe of bohemian design. This approach is perfect for those who want to create a space that feels like a tropical getaway, filled with color, texture, and a sense of adventure. The color palette in a Tropical Boho Escape bedroom is vibrant and bold, with shades of green, turquoise, and coral creating a lively and energizing atmosphere. These colors are complemented by natural tones like tan beige and white, which help to balance the overall look and keep the space feeling airy and fresh. Furniture in this style should be simple yet functional, with a focus on natural materials like wood, rattan, or bamboo. Think of a rattan bed frame, a wooden dresser, or a bamboo chair that adds to the room's tropical vibe. These pieces should be paired with more eclectic elements to maintain the relaxed, bohemian spirit. Texture plays a key role in adding depth and interest to a Tropical Boho Escape bedroom. Layered textiles like woven rugs, patterned pillows, and lightweight throws bring warmth and comfort to the space, while natural elements like plants, shells, or driftwood add a touch of the outdoors. The combination of these textures creates a space that feels both inviting and exotic. Lighting in this style should enhance the tropical atmosphere with a focus on creating a warm and inviting glow. Consider using natural light as much as possible, along with fixtures like pendant lights, lanterns, or string lights that add to the relaxed, bohemian vibe. The goal is to create a space that feels bright and airy during the day and cozy and intimate at night. Accessories in a Tropical Boho Escape bedroom should be carefully chosen to enhance the overall theme of the space. Think of items like a tropical print, a collection of seashells, or a woven basket that adds a touch of the tropics to the room. Plants are also a key element in this style, bringing in a natural element that complements the vibrant colors and textures. Artisan minimalism embraces the simplicity and elegance of minimalism while incorporating handcrafted elements that add warmth and character. This approach is perfect for those who appreciate clean lines and a clutter-free environment, but don't want to sacrifice the cozy, eclectic vibe of bohemian design. The color palette in an artisan minimalist bedroom is typically soft and neutral, with shades of white, beige, and gray creating a serene and calming atmosphere. The focus is on quality over quantity, with each piece of furniture and decor chosen for its craftsmanship and ability to contribute to a peaceful retreat. Natural materials like wood, linen, and stone dominate the space, offering a tactile experience that feels luxurious and grounded. Furniture should be simple yet elegant, with clean lines and a focus on functionality. Think of a beautifully crafted wooden bed frame paired with crisp white linens or a minimalist nightstand that offers just enough space for a few carefully chosen accessories. The idea is to create a space that feels open and airy, where every item has a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic. Texture plays a key role in adding depth to an artisan minimalist bedroom. Layered textiles like woven blankets, soft rugs, and linen drapes bring warmth to the room, while handcrafted decor adds a personal touch. Items like a hand-thrown ceramic vase or a macrame wall hanging can serve as subtle focal points, adding interest without overwhelming the space. Lighting should be soft and natural, enhancing the room's serene mood. Consider using simple, understated fixtures that complement the minimalist design, such as a sleek pendant light or wall-mounted sconces. The goal is to create a calm and inviting atmosphere where you can unwind and relax. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,